Good everyone. Today we'll be continuing our discussion further with the atomic structure. So in the last class we were talking about protons and neutrons. And today we will start with the various models which were proposed to explain the structure of atom. So the first model which we will be studying about is Thomson model of an atom. Although it is not a very accurate model, but it was the first initiative to explain the structure of atom. So let us start with the Thomson model of atom. Now, this model is also known as plum pudding model. Plum pudding model. So whenever you say plum pudding model, it refers to Thomson model. Only remember that. So based on whatever experiments were conducted by J.J. Thomson, or whatever the results he derived on those experiments, from those experiments, he proposed his model. And according to his model, the atom or structure of atom is a sphere, and this sphere is positively charged. This sphere is positively charged. And the electrons are embedded in this positively charged sphere. And the electrons are embedded in this positively charged sphere as or like a positively charged pudding containing plums in it. So ऐसा ही था, according to J.J. Thomson, एक atom एक positively charged sphere था with negatively charged electrons embedded in that positively charged sphere. So as you can see, this sphere contains positive charge, and these are electrons. These are the electrons. So this atom can easily explain the electrical neutrality कि एक एटम इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल क्यों होता है. ये मॉडल बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर पा रहा था. एंड दिस मॉडल अज्यूम्स दैट द मास ऑफ द एटम इज यूनिफॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड. एक एटम का जो मास है वो पूरे एटम पे यूनिफॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है. ये अकॉर्डिंग टू J.J. थॉमसन मॉडल कुछ मास का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन यूनिफॉर्म था. ये इस मॉडल ने अज्यूम किया. सो although this model was the first model and it could explain some of the characteristics of an atom, but this model was soon discarded. क्यों discard किया गया? Why it was discarded? Because of the famous alpha particle scattering experiment which was conducted by Rutherford with his two students. Rutherford ने एक बहुत famous experiment conduct किया. क्यों conduct किया? To study the structure of atom. एक atom कैसा होता है उसी को study करने के लिए he conducted a very famous experiment along with his two students, and the results which were obtained from that experiment were not successfully explained by this model of atom. तो J.J. थॉमसन का जो मॉडल था, जो J.J. थॉमसन ने प्रपोज जो मॉडल किया था, वो रदरफोर्ड के एक्सपेरिमेंट से जो रिजल्ट मिले उनको वो properly explain नहीं कर पाया. That's why this model was discarded. So let us see that very famous experiment जो Rutherford ने conduct किया and which led to the proposing of Rutherford का model, which Rutherford nuclear model of an atom जो propose किया Rutherford ने, it was on the basis of this alpha particle scattering experiment only. So let us see that. So रदरफोर्ड का जो एक्सपेरिमेंट था उसका सेटअप कुछ ऐसा था. रदरफोर्ड का जो एक्सपेरिमेंट था, there was a source of alpha particles. What are alpha particles? Alpha particles are highly energetic particles जो एक रेडियो एक्टिव एलिमेंट से निकल रहे थे. हाईली एनर्जेटिक पार्टिकल्स थे. एंड उनका अल्फा पार्टिकल्स प्रोड्यूस करने का एक सोर्स लिया गया। सोर्स मतलब एक एलिमेंट जो कि अल्फा पार्टिकल प्रोड्यूस कर रहा था। नाउ ये अल्फा पार्टिकल्स एक लेड प्लेट से पास किए गए। एक ऐसी लेड प्लेट जिसमें एक स्मॉल होल था। क्यों ऐसा किया गया? Why these alpha particles were made to pass through a lead plate with a very small hole in it, so that we can get a beam of alpha particles. After coming out of this lead plate, we can get a beam of alpha particles, and that beam was projected on a gold foil. It was projected on a gold foil, which was kept in their path. एक gold foil जो इनके पास में रखी गई थी, and this gold foil was surrounded by a photographic plate. एक photographic plate से surround कर दिया गया था इसको, and that photographic plate was coated with zinc sulfide. zinc sulfide से coat किया गया था। क्यों किया गया था? We will discuss that. So what is this? This is source of alpha particles. What is this? This is a lead plate to get a beam of alpha particles, highly energetic beam. This is the photographic plate, and this is the gold foil. Let me show it with a dotted line. The gold foil. Now क्या हुआ? The alpha particles, they were coming out from this source, were being converted into a beam of alpha particles and were projected on this gold foil. After they were projected on this gold foil, most of the alpha particles went through this gold foil. वो इसको पार करते हुए उसके दूसरे साइड चले गए। Most of them, not all of them, most of them, ज्यादातर। So most of the alpha particles went through this gold foil. आराम से इसको पार करते हुए चले गए। पीछे यहाँ पे हाँ, I have told you that this photographic plate was coated with zinc sulfide. क्यों zinc sulfide से कोट किया गया? So that जहां जहां इस photographic plate को alpha particles hit करे, there was a, you can observe where the alpha particles are hitting that photographic plate. So आपको उनकी पोजीशन का पता चल सके, कहाँ कहाँ alpha particles scatter हो रहे हैं. Where are the alpha particles being scattered after passing through this gold foil? That's why it was coated with zinc sulfide. So most of the alpha particles जो पास कर रहे थे gold foil से, वो उसको पास करते हुए उससे थ्रू होते हुए पीछे जाके हिट कर रहे थे. Most of them. Some alpha particles were deviated from this path by very small angles. छोटे एंगल से deviate कर रहे थे कुछ alpha particles, some, and very few alpha particles were deflected back. मतलब वो 180 डिग्री से डिफ्लेक्शन हो गया उनका, वो अपना they were hitting this gold foil and were returning back. Very few, कितने? Almost 1 in 20,000 alpha particles. मतलब 20,000 अल्फा पार्टिकल में शायद कोई एक अल्फा पार्टिकल था जो जा रहा था और टकरा के वापिस आ रहा था. बाकी सब क्या हो रहे थे? बाकी ज्यादातर तो they were passing through the gold foil. Some were deflected by small angle. So जो ये ऑब्जर्वेशन मिले रदरफोर्ड के फेमस अल्फा पार्टिकल स्कैटरिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट से, इनके अकॉर्डिंग जो एटम था वो हॉलो स्पेस था. क्योंकि अगर ऐसा नहीं होता, व्हाई मोस्ट ऑफ द अल्फा पार्टिकल्स आर पासिंग थ्रू दिस गोल्ड फॉइल. सो जो जे थॉमसन के मॉडल ने जो प्रपोज किया था दैट द मास इज यूनिफॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, इट वाज नॉट वेरी मच करेक्ट. वो बहुत सही नहीं था. So we will continue to talk about this Rutherford experiment and Rutherford nuclear model. But based on these observations, कौन सा observation कि most of the alpha particles went through, some were deflected by small angle and very few were deflected back. यही कुछ ऐसे कंक्लूजन्स या ऑब्जर्वेशंस थे जिन्होंने जे थॉमसन के मॉडल को डिस्कार्ड या जो जे थॉमसन के मॉडल को डिस्कार्ड करने का रीजन बने. दैट्स व्हाई जे थॉमसन मॉडल वाज डिस्कार्डेड. So we will continue to see the Rutherford nuclear model of an atom in the next class. Today we'll keep it till here only. Thank you so much.